Okay guys, day 3 here with the natural of every day. Still haven't emptied the bin. Make sure there's nothing caught up here. Nope.
I'm all done.
You're all done? Do you want another one?
Yep.
Go ahead, go get another one, baby.
Okay.
Okay.
I will go faster.
Okay, so lots of fluff now. Lots of fluff, which has lots of dust in it. Okay. Yeah, I have my nephew over, so he's been playing downstairs with Play-Doh. So lots of that. So, and cat hair, obviously.
The other one. And
Okay.
crackers too.
And crackers. Hang on, guys. Easy, honey. Here.
Ooh, great.
Okay. Sorry, guys. The nephew comes first. Kids come first. There you go, buddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome, honey. You're the sweetest. I love you. I love you. You're not going to say I love you? I love you.
Love you. That was pupa.
Yeah. Okay, so
That was dog poop.
dog poop. Where's dog poop?
Outside.
Yeah, outside. That's where dog poop belongs, huh? Okay, so got a lot more today.
Callie's awake.
Yeah, Kylie's awake.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to vacuum this up, okay?
Okay.
Oh, you stepped in it, booger. Oh, no. More mess for me to clean up. Okay.
Thank you.
This way. Get your applesauce. Sit down there.
Okay.
I'm not going to get you, okay? Okay, that has been day 3, and I do want to show you guys the way that this shark is lifting this pile is beyond me. My newer shark does not lift the pile and regenerate like this rug. Like, it's making it look brand new. So, I'm very, very happy with the shark, and that's why I've been using it more on this rug. But, okay, you want to say bye? Bye. See you guys later.